There you go. If you train spot your train, you get to notice that, whoa, there's a locomotive down there in GPU. I'm looking forward to utilizing the new Nikon. And you gotta practice caution, we got a locomotive behind us. I can hear it. I'll be leaving shortly. Snow is pretty well melted, but it's freaking cold out here. There you go, nice to know what you're doing. Staging track. It's all about train spotting. You want a train fan, stick around the yard, spend a week at a yard. Check it out. I mean, spend a week at the yard close to your home. My battery is about dead on this camera. Get cold. And there you go. All about doing it the right way. Keep you alive. And that's a corner up here I was talking about. You want to wrap your rope ladder right around that corner. And you'll be able to get yourself in and out of these things. Some of them be a little bit different. None all be the same. The corner I prefer. This one over here, I get complications with it once in a while. Well, learn your stuff so you stay alive. You keep on keeping on, right? That's what it's all about. Could have gone for a ride, but it'd be cold in the mountains, full of snow. I'm going to start warming up in the next 4 weeks. Okay, before my battery dies and I lose this video. Make the best of it. Enjoy your winter, plan out your catch outs, and keep yourself going.